This truck was running fine until a major lightning strike hit the top of two trees and worked its way to ground. The base of that pine is 8 feet away from the front bumper. I went to start it after the strike, and it cranked okay for a short while. Wouldn't start, then the battery went dead. I checked the connections, put a voltmeter on the battery, and it showed fully charged, so I replaced the battery. I had a scanning tool that I used often, and I was sure that it worked. Plugged it in, and it powered up but couldn't connect. I tried several times. Pulled the covers off the fuse and relay boxes and checked all I could. You have to have a good fuse and relay diagram. I paid particular attention to fuses related to the ECM and onboard diagnostics. Everything was fine. Next I got online and found the factory service manual. In it was a diagram for the ECM connector pins. I unplugged the connector and confirmed that the ECM was getting power. I pulled the ECM and looked the outside over and didn't see any damage. It's sealed weather tight, so I sent it to a company that specializes in their repair. A couple of weeks later, I got it back, plugged it in, and the truck started right up. They told me the ECM programming was intact, but several internal components were damaged.